Hi, my name is Angel. I'm from Wolfeye.de, and in this second part of this three-part video series, um, I again want to talk about the most effective method to track your employees, each of your employees' computer screens, as an entrepreneur, as a business owner. In the last video, I showed you that the best method is to use a software that will allow you to see the live screen of your employees, and also that will allow you to see to have a dashboard to see all at once, all live screens at once for all your employees' computers. Basically, like this. I think I showed it to you here. Let me go down here. Something like this, which I will present to you in the next part, not in this part. So you have a dashboard here. This is the browser, and you will see for each of your employees the live screen. Yeah. And I showed you how to do your antivirus exception and to prepare the folder to which you will download it, how to download the software, and how to yeah, that's it. That's what I show you. In this video, I show you how to set up the software. So after we have downloaded the application, that's the application kernel. You can name it whatever you want, but I noted that you do not want to use some name that is very similar to some Windows process name, because else it will change the icon. But kernel, for example, seems to be very good. I double click the application to install it, and the first time you run it, a window appears. This is only the first time. You go to more information and click on run. This is only the first start, and the control window of Wolfeye pops up, appears. So basically, to install this software, you must hit two buttons. The green button, I will show you in a second, that says share screen. You hit it, and then it will share the screen. And the second is the blue button that says hide plus Win Startup. That button will put it into stealth mode. It will hide it, and it will make the software run in the background every time Windows is started. Yeah. So let's see. The moment you hit the green button, you hit it, it turns red, and it shows you a link. Basically, that will be the link that you will see. The live screen of this computer where the software is running will appear basically. So you open the link in any browser, for example, in your smartphone, and we'll see from this computer, we'll see the live screen. Yeah. Um, to show it to you, you have this white button that you will probably never use. It's just that you open that link, you hit it, it opens in the browser. As you can see, wait. Uh, as you can see here, you see the live computer screen of this computer in the browser. Uh, because the link is very encrypted, you have this gray button that says email URL. Hit it and enter your email so that this link will be sent to your email address and you can open it from your smartphone, from your email inbox, from any other computer. And finally, this blue button. You hit the blue button, that's the last step, you hit it, and it will disappear. It will go into stealth mode and continue to run in the background. So that's basically it. In the next video, I will show you how to, what you as an entrepreneur and as a business owner, the last step that you want to make, because you might want this link to be password protected and you might want to enable this dashboard I was talking about. So after you install it on each of